Welcome to Murphy Success Stories, where we share real-world examples of business sales done right. This profitable fleet repair business in Sacramento County is officially sold, despite early challenges that made the sale far from simple. Before we continue, be sure to subscribe so you never miss new opportunities and valuable business insights. This turnkey operation specialized in servicing commercial fleet accounts. Housed in a well-equipped facility with 8 bays, 5 lifts, full diagnostics, and a secured yard, the business had strong infrastructure and long-term vendor relationships. Financially solid, the business generated nearly $1.4 million in revenue and over $230,000 in discretionary earnings. After strategic timing and revaluation, it was relisted at $425,000, $70,000 more than previously, and secured full financing through a lending partner. Before we finish, make sure to like and subscribe. The original listing struggled under a different broker before coming to me. With both owners actively involved, him as a master tech, her as office manager, it was hard to find a match. We pulled the listing, waited for taxes, and repositioned the business with new valuation and strategy. This time, we found the right fit. 2 brothers, one a business school grad, the other a skilled auto technician. This deal was a true win-win. The seller received full value for his years of hard work, while the buyers stepped into a thriving business that aligned perfectly with their strengths. This sale is a great example of timing, strategy, and fit coming together to create another Murphy success story. Whether you're looking to buy a business or ready to sell, we are here to guide you every step of the way. We connect qualified buyers and sellers and help you achieve a smooth, successful transaction. If we can help, visit tophatbusinessbrokers.com or reach out today.